Welcome back to Mighty Little Green Machine. Please remember, if you like what you see, hit the like and subscribe button. Please remember, if you like what you see, hit the like and subscribe button.
Hi and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be adding rear support stabilizers to my 18-foot trailer that I use to move my tractor and implements. So far, I've added this front trailer box. I got it from Tractor Supply. Fits well. I keep all my chains, binders, some tools, and straps in there. So I have everything with it. This trailer has electric brakes. It's dual axle. It's rated for 7,000 pounds. Got a ramp that goes down. It makes it nice and easy. But what it doesn't have is any kind of a support under the ramp or the back of the trailer. So that when I go to drive the tractor on, especially the new one that's heavier, it feels like it's going to actually lift the back wheels of the truck off the ground. So what I've bought is a set of these stabilizer jacks that crank down using a handle. And that way it'll support the back when I go to load it. The other thing I'll be able to do is leave the tractor on the trailer. If I had to come back to a job, I can put the front foot down, trailer support, and also the rear jacks down, and the trailer will be stable, or I can actually be able to load the trailer without it attached to the truck, which is sometimes a nice feature to have. Okay, so what I've done so far is I've positioned the first jack up underneath, and I used my motorcycle jack to hold it up in place so that I can attach it. I took a tape measure, see if I can get you in there, and I measured it so that it's 5.5 inches from the back rail of my trailer on both sides. And I positioned it so I get an easy access to the screw. Now, this uses self-tapping screws to attach it. I'm going to be attaching it to the metal part of the outside of the trailer here. And then I'm going to have to go right into the wood back there. However, there's another support that's going to hold it. And the wood goes up underneath, so it's not going to come undone. So I'm not worried about the strength. So let's go ahead and get started here. Okay, so let's get started. As I said, it uses a self-tapping, so this will actually drill the hole, screws to put it in, has a little star washer to hold them in tight. I have my impact gun with a 3/8 socket on it. Now these will drill right through metal. Okay, it's the first one. There's the second one. Now I'll go over to the other side and put the third one in. And like I said, the third one's going to go up underneath. It's actually going to go into the wood. Now, this side has a zip tie in it, so I got to get the cutters and take it out. Okay, I got the cutters. And we got our screw and our gun. We'll put the washer on. Very good. Now I can lower the jack. And that stays up there nice. Okay, so these actually came with their own handle to put these down. Show you how easy it is. It says not to use an impact gun on these, just to only use this handle. So you can possibly break it. Now, it's nice and tight, so when I drive up on it, it won't get stuck. Let's get the other side done. And there you go. 2 stabilizers. Now I'll be able to load the trailer, whether it's hooked to the truck or not, and be able to leave my tractor on a job if I have to on the trailer. Not that I really want to, but this is something I've been wanting to do for a while. Just wanted to show you the inside of my trailer tongue box. Show you the stuff that's in there. Now the plan for this is I'm going to move the battery that runs the electric brakes up into the box. It's underneath it right now. And then I'm going to get a small inverter and put a battery charger in for one of my battery impacts and leave that with some tools. So if I have to change a tire or whatever, I'll have it. And one of the things I did with this is they wanted you to bolt it through the trailer. I bought U-bolts instead and ran it just around the support on the trailer, so I didn't have to put holes in the trailer where it can rust or weaken it at all. And that's worked out perfect. I've towed this a lot with it on there. So until next time, enjoy.